Want to see how I turn this goo into marble countertops? We've partnered with Harvest Host to bring you a renovation series for RVs, and this week we're talking about resurfacing your countertops with epoxy. Epoxy can go over your existing countertops, but we're pouring it over 3/4 inch plywood. We first paint the plywood and then we give it a quick sand. Let that paint dry for 24 hours and then wipe it clean and tape all of the edges off really well, double tape. When the surface is prepped, it's time to start with the epoxy. You want to first pour in part B, which is the catalyst, and then part A, which is the epoxy, and then you're going to mix. I mixed this for at least 5 minutes with this mixing bit on the drill. I wanted a really random natural pour, so I'm separating the epoxy into different containers where I then mix in colors. I wanted a really white base, so that's my main color, and then I added some accents, a little gray, some gold, and then you just randomly mix them together and pour it over your surface. You just keep going, even though it starts to look a little weird. This is the point that it looks really bad, but don't worry, it's gonna look great. After an hour, peel that tape back and gently coax the epoxy over the edges. The epoxy is self-leveling, so it'll even out. Let it cure overnight or for 24 hours and then sand the bottom drips. And doesn't this look great, you guys?